to just spread it out. But work efficiently, right? Like, don't be one of these people where you have to kind of spread it out and then leave kind of more like the that kind of more thick side, more on the edge, so it can kind of dry out a little bit. All right, so if I was, let's talk about fat-free cheese. If I was to use fat-free cheese in a recipe like this and put cheese that's fat-free right on top of these vegetables, it's going to be going into an oven and be exposed to what you would call direct heat, right? First off, it's harder to find fat-free cheese. It's going to be a little more difficult. Philadelphia is one of the few brands, not Philadelphia, excuse me, Kraft is one of the few brands that makes the fat-free mozzarella and cheddar, but not many grocery stores carry it. And if you are going to use it, just realize that it's still high in sodium too, right? So, if you're going to use cheese, just use it sparingly, enjoy the cheese. It's still going to be much if you use the low-fat one. And when we're using cheese here, we're certainly not putting a huge amount onto there. Okay. And really also helping, this pizza stay crispy is all right. Throw these up here. Pop these into the oven for at least, I'd say 8 minutes or so. We'll check them.
Keep those trays